Hello, my friend. Welcome to Soft Speak English. My name is Sophie. I'm so happy you are here today. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Today, we will talk about something very common for English learners. It happens to almost everyone. The topic is, when I speak English, my mind goes blank. Have you ever felt that before? You know the words in your head, but when you start to speak, nothing comes out. Your mouth stays quiet. You try to remember, but your mind feels empty. You feel nervous, and you stop speaking. It's okay. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Even native speakers sometimes forget what they want to say. So, today, let's talk about this feeling. Let's understand why it happens and how you can feel calm when it does. We will speak slowly and softly. Just listen and relax. Sometimes, your mind goes blank because you feel afraid. Maybe you are scared to make a mistake. Maybe you worry that people will laugh at your English. Or maybe you don't feel confident yet. That's normal. Everyone feels nervous when they start something new. Think about the first time you rode a bicycle. Did you feel scared? Did you worry that you might fall? Speaking English is the same. At first, your brain is learning to balance words, grammar, and sound. With practice, it becomes natural. When you speak, your brain does many things at the same time. It tries to find the right words. It tries to make correct sentences. It also listens to your voice and checks if it sounds right. That's a lot of work for your brain. Sometimes it gets tired and it just stops. That's when your mind goes blank. Do you know what helps? Relaxing. Taking a slow breath. Smiling a little. It's okay to pause. It's okay to forget a word. You can always try again. Let me tell you a short story. Last year, I met a student named Sarah. She was from Brazil. She spoke English very well, but when she met new people, her mind always went blank. One day, we went to a cafe together. The waiter asked, "What would you like to drink?" Sarah looked at me and said nothing. She forgot the word coffee. After a few seconds, she laughed and said, "I want brown drink." The waiter smiled and said, "Coffee?" She said, "Yes, coffee, please." We both laughed. After that moment, she felt relaxed. She realized it was okay to forget. Now she speaks more freely. Have you ever had a moment like that? When you forgot a simple word? How did you feel? Did you laugh? Or did you feel shy? Remember, small mistakes make you better. They help you learn. Every time you forget and try again, your brain becomes stronger. Sometimes, your mind goes blank because of stress. Maybe you are in a job interview. Maybe you are talking to a teacher or a boss. You want to say the perfect sentence, but your brain freezes. In that moment, try to breathe slowly. Say something simple like, let me think. Or Give me a second. Native speakers say that too. They also need time to think. It's not a mistake. It's part of a real conversation. Let's practice together. Imagine you are talking to someone in English. They ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You can pause. You can smile. Then say, "I like reading," or "I like walking in the park." Easy and calm. You don't need long sentences. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. Now, let's talk about practice. How can you stop your mind from going blank? The answer is speak more. Even 5 minutes every day helps. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Say, "I am washing the dishes. I am making tea. I am walking to work." When you speak daily, English becomes part of your thinking. Then, when you talk to others, your brain doesn't need to translate. It just speaks. Do you like talking to yourself in English? Try it once a day. It feels funny at first, but it really helps. You can also record your voice. Listen to how you sound. Do you like your tone? Do you speak clearly? When you listen again, you will notice progress. Sometimes, learners wait for the perfect moment to speak. They think, "I will speak when I know more words." But that moment never comes. The perfect time is now. You already know enough. You just need to use what you know. That's how fluency grows. Let's imagine another story. A boy named Ali lives in Turkey. He wants to speak English well. He watches movies and listens to podcasts every day. But when he meets tourists in his city, he forgets everything. One day, he decides to try something different. He goes to the park every Sunday. He smiles and says, "Hello, how are you?" to strangers. At first, his voice shakes. But after a few weeks, he feels better. His brain starts to relax. He remembers more words. His sentences come faster. Now, when he speaks, his mind stays clear. What about you? Do you speak English outside your lessons? Do you try small conversations? Maybe you can talk to a shopkeeper, a friend, or a classmate. Even short talks help a lot. Another reason your mind goes blank is that you listen but don't speak enough. Listening is great. It helps you understand sounds, rhythm, and intonation. But your mouth also needs training. It's like music. You can listen to a piano song every day, but you can't play it until you touch the piano. So listen first, then repeat what you hear. You can shadow the speaker. That means listen and speak at the same time. It's okay if you are slow. Your brain will learn. What do you usually listen to in English? Do you like podcasts? Do you like movies or songs? Try to speak along with them sometimes. It's fun, and it builds your confidence. Now, let's talk about your emotions. When your mind goes blank, be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I am bad at English." Say, "I am learning." Your brain is working hard. It needs time. You are growing every day. When you forget a word, smile. When you make a mistake, smile again. That small smile relaxes your brain. It tells your body everything is okay. And then the words come back more easily. Do you remember the last time you felt nervous? What helped you feel better? Maybe a deep breath? Maybe a kind word from someone? You can use the same feeling when you speak English. Be your own friend. Let's slow down a bit now. Imagine this moment. You are sitting in a quiet room. You have a warm drink in your hand. You listen to your favorite English podcast. You feel calm. You are learning in peace. No pressure. No fear. This is how English should feel, light and free. You don't need to force it. You just enjoy the sound. I want you to repeat after me in your mind. I can speak English. I just need to relax. My mind is strong. I am improving every day. Say it slowly. Believe it. Because it's true. Before we finish, let's review what we talked about. Your mind goes blank because of fear, stress, or overthinking. It's normal. It happens to everyone. You can fix it with calm practice, small steps, and kind thoughts. Speak daily. Don't wait for perfection. Smile when you forget. Enjoy the process. Little by little, you will find that your words come naturally. So, next time you speak English and your mind goes blank, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Say something simple. Or say, "Give me a second." It's okay. Your words will come back. Thank you for listening to Soft Speak English. I hope today's talk helped you feel calm and confident. Remember, your mind is not your enemy. It's just learning something new. Be patient, be gentle, and keep practicing. You're doing great. Take care, my friend. Have a peaceful day. See you next time in another episode of Soft Speak English. Goodbye.